Hey, everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of adolescence, what Stanley Hall called a new birth. But what does that mean, and why is it so important? Let's break it down. In 1904, psychologist Stanley Hall was the first to explore adolescence as a distinct stage of life. He believed adolescence wasn't just the teenage years, but a critical transition between childhood and adulthood, a period full of emotional turmoil and growth. Hall was influenced by two key ideas: Darwin's theory of evolution and the German Sturm-und-Drang movement, which emphasized intense emotions and freedom of expression. He even referred to adolescence as a time of storm and stress. Sounds intense, right? According to Hall, adolescence is marked by emotional extremes, from quiet moodiness to wild risk-taking. It's when teenagers crave strong feelings and new experiences, while routine and monotony feel unbearable. He also noticed a curve of despondency, basically a dip in mood, starting at age 11, peaking at 15, and improving by 23. Modern research confirms this pattern, with causes like feeling disliked, self-criticism, and even heartbreak. Sound familiar? Hall pointed out that advanced reasoning skills in teenagers make them extra sensitive to their environment. This can lead to deeper self-awareness, but also more self-criticism. But adolescence isn't all storm clouds. Hall believed it's a time when the very worst and the very best of the human soul battle it out. And guess what? It's also the stage where higher, more human traits, like creativity and compassion, are born. Hall once said, "Adolescence is a new birth. It's a time of challenges, but also incredible potential." So, if you're in this phase or know someone who is, remember, it's not just about surviving adolescence. It's about thriving and becoming something even greater.